Alright guys, so a quick little unboxing video. I think this one is for all the Apple fans. You have all the Apple products. I think this one is for you. Okay, we're gonna get to those in a little bit. And this is it right here. So inside the box, this is how it is. Alright, so you have your micro USB. You have to put it together. The wireless charger itself, Apple Watch charger / AirPods charger. And you have a book. So shout out to Next Gadget. They send this out for me. And I'm definitely appreciated. Of course, I'm going to give you guys my honest review, no matter what it is. And I gotta say, nice little weight to it. This is real aluminum. I'm gonna set this up. We're gonna set it up together. I believe that goes there. But you know, I like to figure things out on my own. Okay. You know, let's take it to the book. Sounds like this. You need the book. All right, guys. So after fooling around with this thing for a couple of minutes. Couple of minutes meaning like about 10 minutes, finally set it up. Fairly easy, but I guess it wasn't my day, because when I put the Apple Watch puck in there, this thing was backwards, then this wasn't flushed in all the way, so I had to keep on unscrewing it back and forth. But other than that, it's pretty easy, I must say. So now first up, we have the AirPods. It is charging. You guys can see the light there. Zoom in. Yeah, that amber light indicating that it is charging. Let's take our Apple Watch. Should have put the Apple Watch in there first, but this is what it is. Okay, Apple Watch is charging. And this will make like a good clock too, because you know all your devices are here. You can put this right there on your nightstand and you should be good. And last but not least, we have our smartphone. By the way, any Qi enabled device will be able to wirelessly charge. So in this case, the iPhone 10 is supported. iPhone 8 Plus will be supported in future iPhones. And finally, the Apple Watch. Now the Apple Watch, not the Apple Watch, Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil is not going to charge. It would be really cool if Apple could include a wireless charger for the Apple Pencil. It would have worked out really well in this case scenario. But that's pretty much it. 6-in-1, all my Apple devices that I use every single day, all in one. You definitely want to pick up this stand, because if you like me, you have a bunch of Apple devices, you want to keep everything all in one place. When you have everything all scattered out, you tend to lose things. Yeah, you're going to need to find a sweet spot. You can adjust that on the back here. So you could twist this knob and you can raise it up a little bit, as well as the bottom. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. So yeah, you can adjust it depending on your device. But I think I found the sweet spot. I would end the video out right there, but another company hit me up for some Apple Watch bands, so why not, since we're here. Okay, Sun Kong, the high-end smart band. This one really caught my attention because it looks classy, but also it has a sport feeling. Let's take this thing out the packaging. As you guys can see, very luxurious, fancy, classy Apple Watch band, but in the back it's a sporty feel. So it's gonna feel like a sports band, but it's gonna look classy. And it feels really good. Just putting it on, it's not that tough leather, but it looks really nice, especially the black. Very classy. I'll zoom in. So I got the space gray Apple Watch, and it looks very nice. This would be really beautiful if you have the original Apple Watch, the shiny one, the space gray. That would be really nice. Definitely, I think these are worth a pickup. Making this video quick, man. I've been shooting all day. I just got this camera, then iOS 12 came out. So this one here is just the same thing, but just a different color. Also, if you want, you can mix match if that's your style. Beautiful. Look at the stitching. The attention to details on these Apple Watch bands are remarkable. And the feel of it feels insane. It feels like a sports band, exactly like a sports band, but it looks luxurious, it looks fancy, looks elegant. Perfect for going out to eat, going to that wedding, that special occasion. Definitely pick up these Apple Watch bands. Definitely something totally different. Let me focus that in. There we go. If you have an AirPods, Apple Watch, iPhone, and the Apple Pencil, you're gonna need this stand. It's no brainer. And if you're looking for different watch bands, something that's totally different, definitely give this one a look. Make sure you guys like this video. It really does help me out a bunch. And make sure you guys click on that subscribe button if you really did enjoy this video. Alright guys, until next time.